coriander essential oil. Coriander is actually from the same plant as the cilantro. The cilantro essential oil is steam distilled from the leaves, and coriander is steam distilled from the leaves. However, they're very different, even though it's the same part of the same plant, but different parts. They're very different chemical constituents in what they do. So when I see that somebody needs coriander, the first thing I think of is blood sugar. Do they have diabetes? This is a great oil to level blood sugar. You can use it internally, use it in a capsule, rub on the bottoms of your feet. It's your body. You choose how to use it. If you feel best diffusing, then that's fine. You can diffuse it. But it's also great for gas and nausea. So if you're having any type of, a lot of times elevated yeast levels in the body can cause these type of things, can cause gas and flatulence and abdominal pain. And so just by dropping it under your tongue will help to level those yeasts. And therefore also it helps with itchy skin and rashes. One little trick is if you apply coriander to a rash and it helps relieve it, or if you have itchy eyes and it helps to relieve it, then that means it's caused by yeast levels in the body. And if it doesn't relieve it, then it might be your liver and you'll have to use geranium. But coriander is great for rashes. It's also good for joint pain. One area I really like to use it is for knees. Sometimes when people are lacking the flexibility, they need to apply coriander to the knees. Really helps with the flexibility of the joints, and even helps to regenerate the tissue, which isn't that amazing. So we don't just use this for symptomatic relief. We actually use it on our bodies, in our bodies, and around our bodies for correction. The body can regenerate. Every organ can regenerate. This is science. You can look it up for yourself. The body is an amazing thing. Also great for neuropathy. Maybe you've had chemotherapy and you can't feel your hands and your feet. Start rubbing this on the areas and it'll help to wake up those nerves, so to speak. And for people that don't have appetite, maybe they're elderly or they're on a lot of medications and they don't want to eat, you can rub this on the abdomen. It's also great for food poisoning. Yay. I've had to use this a couple times and it works amazingly well, and it works really fast. Even if you have diarrhea, you can rub it over the abdomen or put it in a capsule really quick. I had to get on an airplane one time and this saved me. Body odor. Another thing too is low energy or just nervous exhaustion. You can take the oil and just breathe it in, literally breathe it in. And one thing that I love about the coriander as far as emotionally is the oil of integrity. So if you feel like you're being controlled by others, or you're just conforming, or your life is kind of filled with drudgery, just use this. You can use it in the diffuser, or just opening the bottle and breathing in. It really helps to release that trapped cycle of life. So coriander essential oil.